Welcome to Door. Today we're answering a simple question. How does phishing work? It's one of the most common and effective attack methods online. Let's break it down. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack. It tricks you into giving away sensitive information like passwords, bank details, or personal data. Instead of hacking your system, attackers hack your trust. Most phishing attacks start with an email, text, or DM that looks real. It might claim your account has been locked. You missed a delivery. Someone tried to log in from a new device. The message urges you to click a link fast. That link leads to a fake website designed to look like the real thing. You log in, and just like that, the attacker has your credentials. Phishing works because it creates urgency, fear, or curiosity. Hackers copy the logos, language, and tone of real brands like Microsoft, Netflix, or your bank. Most people don't inspect links or email headers, and in a rush, even smart users can fall for it. Not all phishing looks the same. Here are the most common types. Email phishing, mass emails to random people. Spear phishing, targeted attacks on specific individuals. Whaling phishing aimed at high-level executives. Smishing, phishing via SMS. Vishing, phishing via voice call. Some attackers even use social media or fake job offers to lure you in. Here's how you can defend against phishing. Check the sender's email address. Hover over links to preview the real URL. Never enter sensitive info from an email link. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA. Report suspicious messages to your IT or email provider. And always pause before clicking. If it feels urgent, it's probably a trap. Phishing doesn't break in, it waits for you to open the door. Now that you know how it works, you're one step closer to shutting that door for good. Subscribe to Door for more straight-to-the-point cybersecurity videos.